Hi, I'm Nadine Thornhill, sexuality educator. A while back I did a video about how to use a dental dam, and in the comments section you had a lot of really good questions. So today I'm doing a follow-up video to answer some of those questions. Got a couple questions about lube. One was, can you or should you put lube on the side that goes against the vagina? Is it recommended to use the dam with lubricant? Condoms, which go on a penis or inside an anus or vagina, are subject to a lot of rubbing, so I often do recommend using a lubricant to reduce the friction, which then reduces the chance of tearing. When you're having oral sex, eating someone out, there isn't the same friction. So from a safety perspective, no, you don't have to use lube. Some people find that having lube on their vulva or on the side of the dam that goes against the vulva enhances pleasure. So if it's something you're interested in trying, just, to see what the sensation's like, definitely go ahead and try that. Could you please show us how to use it on a penis? You didn't do that in this video, which is the other video, and I don't know how to use it. Do I wrap it around? Dental dams don't work on penises because they're meant to be stretched out and held flat rather than wrapped around a penis. But if you want protection during some sort of penetrative sex, oral, anal, vaginal, then you can use, what we think of as like a regular condom. We call them external condoms. And I have a link to the video on how to use that sort of condom right there. Do we use it horizontally or vertically? Thanks. A lot of people hold it this way, horizontally. That's the way that I hold it, just because I find it easier to grip that way. But you can really hold it in any direction you want. Like, you can hold it vertically, or you can grab it by the long sides if that's easier, diagonal. As long as it's covering all the areas of the vulva that are coming into contact with your mouth, you're good. So the feeling is one-sided, only the person who receives feels anything. The more you stretch a dental dam, the thinner it becomes. And the thinner it becomes, the more you're going to be able to feel your partner's vulva, and the more they're going to be able to feel your tongue. Thank you for all of those questions, and if you have questions about this topic or any other, or you want me to do a video on a specific subject matter related to sexuality, just, again, hit me up in the comments. That is all for now. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.